Welcome to Ag Infotech LLC's online video series. My name is Tim Norris and I am founder and CEO of Ag Infotech LLC. We want to take this opportunity to provide a more in-depth look at the water management products and solutions that we offer. As with any precision ag product or solution, it's only as good as the team that stands behind it. Our team at Ag Infotech is 10 members strong, and we are totally dedicated to keeping you up and going with your precision ag products and services. We like to describe the precision ag cycle as a continuous wheel, and the last spoke that we want to talk about is water management. Our water management solutions that we offer is topo mapping, tile design, GPS grade control systems, gold digger tile plows and carts, and software for tile design. So what we have for topo mapping is we have an RTK equipped ranger. We drive that ranger in 20-foot paths across the field to get the topography of the field. Every second that is going through the field, it's recording a latitude, a longitude, and an elevation. We're going to look at some examples of the topo data and then turning them into plans. So this is an example of a field where we drove every 20 foot. We drove that field and recorded data, and we can bring it in and we can see that the elevation ranges from 712 feet to 753 feet, so about a 40-foot change in elevation. We can then look at that three-dimensionally and see how the field actually lays. So it gives you a much better picture of the field versus looking at it in 2D mode. We can also add the tile or water flow lines so that we know the direction of the flow of the water, and we can put our tile lines in to make sure that they match with that direction of flow. What we want to do with the tile lines is actually catch as much of that water as we possibly can. So once we have those flow arrows, we can start to add in our tile lines. What we like to do here is put these tile lines in so that they are intersecting across the flow of the water. That way, as the surface water drains down through the soil profile, it's going to start to go and follow that surface water direction, and what we want to do is to catch most of that water that we can. So here you can see we have a green line. If you look over here in the legend, that shows that
So
is
once
a
you
10-inch
highlight it and
main.
you turn it black, you can
Then we
see
have
the
an
soil
8-inch
surface
going up
here.
through here. We
Here
convert
you
that
can see
to a
where the
6-inch,
main is installed.
and then we have
And
laterals
as you go
going
through
off
and
that.
look at
and
any
then
one of these
sub-main
places,
here.
each one of these
If
little
you
black
highlight
dots
this
is where
one
one
and
of
turn
these
it black,
laterals is hooking
then we can
onto
actually
that
see
main.
what the profile
But you
of
can
that
see
main
how many feet
out or away from the start of the pass it is. Over here it'll show you at the distance away from where we started, the elevation, the tile depth, how much rise is in that, what the average grade is, or the grade right there, and it'll show you the drainage area, and it'll show you your drainage coefficient. So a lot of good information about this tile design. And again, all this can be done in the office before you ever go to the field. Once we have that design finished, we can then export it out to one of our displays so that you can go and start to install. If you're not using one of our displays, we can go out and flag the field using one of ours. So what we do is we pull the display up, we start to drive the lines, and then we mark where those lines go with the flag. This is an example of one of the tile designs that we've done. We flew over it after the grower installed it, and then every single line worked out just as we had planned. Very complex design, but they did a good job of getting it drained, and we were glad to see that everything worked out well. So as far as tile installation and control, we sell the gold digger tile plows, so you can buy a plow if you do not have one, or if you already have a plow, or if you're buying one of our gold diggers, we can also sell and install the GPS grade control systems. We have Ag Leader's IntelliSlope system and the Trimble WM drain offer. This is an example of our gold digger tile plow that we have. This is a demo plow and hooked to a demo tractor that we have for field day demonstrations. This is an example of a customer's custom plow that we hooked up with a Trimble WM drain, and we had a field day out here at exactly when this picture was taken, showing how the system works. Well, for more information about our water management products or any of the products that we offer at Ag Infotech, please visit our website at www.aginfotech.net or give us a call at 740-507-2500. 03.